Hi friends, how are you doing? Welcome to our CSS training session. Today we will talk about CSS margin, how to create space around an element. What is CSS margin? When we create a web page, elements need space around them. The space outside an element's boundary is called a margin. You can see this illustrated in the diagram. For example, if you apply margin 20 pixel, it will add 20 pixel of space around the element on all sides, top, right, bottom and left. This is an element and this is its border. The margin creates space outside the border, separating it from other elements. For instance, margin top 20 pixel will create 20 pixel of space above the element. We use certain properties to set the CSS margins. One such property is margin. This is a shorthand property, meaning we can set the margins from the top, right, bottom, and left in a single line. Let's take a look at an example in our code editor. You can see here that a div has been styled with 2 pixel solid black border using CSS. The dot box selector, a class selector applied to the div, has a margin of 20 pixels which applies to all side, top, right, bottom and left. Here's what happens. The div in the middle has the class box and this class applied a 20 pixel margin on all sides. You can see the spacing 20 pixel from the top, 20 pixel from the right, 20 pixel from the bottom and 20 pixel from the left. Now if you change that margin to 40 pixels, the spacing will increase on all sides. Now if you have to set different margins for the different side, we can also use the separate property. Like, and first of all, the margin top inside it. This just sets the margin above the element. Like here the margin is the top 20 pixels. I will simply come back to my old code and here I will put simply margin top and make it 40 pixels. See, from the top it just and only from the top the margin is taking the top 40 pixels is what we see margin right. These are also in the same way using the margin right. We can just add the margin on the right hand side. So we will just look at this as I will just put the simple here margin right. Then you can see either from the right hand side to the margin of the pixels. That's what we come here for margin bottom. And it just puts the bottom margin. So we will see this also. So here we just take the bottom only. It will take it from the margins bottom, so it will take it from the bottom. Now you can see folks here, now the margin from the bottom it took 40 pixels. We have the margin. What's the left doing? It takes the margin from the left side, leaves the space from the right side. Then I take the simply margin left over here. So look at this, from the left side this much margin has taken the thick pixel. If you need to set different margins for each side, you can also use the shorthand property to specify multiple values. One value, when you specify one value using the shorthand property, that value is applied to all four sides, top, right, bottom, and left. For example, margin 20 pixel. This will set a margin of 20 pixel on all sides, top, right, bottom, and left. As we have seen before, this approach ensures uniform spacing around the element. Next is using two values. When you provide two values for the margin shorthand property, the first value is applied to the top and bottom and second value is applied to the left and right. For example, margin 20 pixel and 30 pixel. In this case, the top and bottom margins are 20 pixel and left right margins are 30 pixel. To demonstrate, let's update the values. Margin 40 pixel and 30 pixel. Now the top and bottom margins are 40 pixel and left right margins are 30 pixel. This method is convenient way to set margins for opposite sides. In the sort end method, now there are three values here. Three values means for the first top, for the second left and right, for the third bottom. So we'll see the also, like here I will give in the middle 20 pixels. Now see what will come here. Look over here, from left and right the took 20 pixels, from top he took 40 pixels and from bottom he took 30 pixels. So in this way we can also use three values, and if you want to control the four sides individually, you can use four values. Just like here has been given margin 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 30 pixel and 40 pixel. Now what happened inside this, which is 10 pixels? What is this? This is the top, this is the right, and this is the bottom, and this is the left. So let me just simplify it here for you guys. Let me give 10 pixels over here. It will take 10 pixels from the left, 10 pixel from here. First of all, let me tell you that the top 40 pixels are taken. He took 20 pixels or from the right side, 30 pixel from the bottom, and 10 pixels he took from the left side. So in this way we can use the margin and the four values at the short end. Now a trick that is used a lot, auto margin to center. If you can use margin 0, then your element becomes horizontally center. Like here the width of the box is only 50% and the margin is 0 auto, so the box will be perfectly center. As you can see, the width is 50% and the margin is 0 here. So what will happen to our element? It will come to the center. As if I copy it over here and I come over here and finish it. Now you can see here the body 2 pixel solid black is given, which is being used on every side. The the class that is here, the class selector box is given with 50% and margin 0 auto in it. So because of this is middle on that, you people are seeing what happened to this. He come to the center. Now if I put on it, all the things like the box will come to the center. If my entire content come to the center, what will we do? Margin 0, which is from the top left, is 0. Top and bottom and auto means take it from left and side automatically. Auto, it means here it will come to the full center. What is 50% over here in coming to 50%? Because of is this, if I do 19% like this over here, see see here, from here it will come to the center so long, but what will remain in the center. So 200 was this simple concept of css margin allows to you control the layout and specifying of your page. Now you try in your design and see how and clean it looks. If you want to know something else, you can ask in the comment. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.